I'll be honest, I'm not really into housework, but I do enjoy the new sweep feature inside the new Outlook. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. Here I've got an email that a Teams meeting recording has expired and is now deleted. If I click on Sweep, it will find all emails from SharePoint Online, and I can move them straight into my deleted items. The other options are interesting as well. We can move all messages from the inbox and any future messages straight into delete items. So it's sort of like a rule. We'll always keep the latest message and move the rest from the inbox folder. That's great when you've got a long email thread and you just want the latest one. You don't want your inbox clogged up with all of those related messages. And always move messages older than 10 days from the inbox. So I'm going to move all messages from the inbox from SharePoint Online. I'll click on OK. It's a nice clean sweep and helps keep my inbox under control.